What's up, rock stars? I'm Mighty Mike, and I feel as 2020 is going to be a turnaround year, not just for me, but for everyone else as well. It's going to be a good time for growth and opportunity. The real estate market is healthy, the job market is robust, and people are losing weight. Damn it. Well, it's almost February, so that means that there's still time. January isn't over yet, so if you're teetering on giving up on your goals, this is the top 5 ways to keep them going. Number 5, plan forward by looking backward. Instead of making broad resolutions about what you will do this year, what if you imagined you've already done it, you already completed, you've succeeded at your goals, then all you have to do is ask yourself is how you got there. What are you doing? Money Mike says I just have to daydream about achieving my goals and that's good enough. I don't even want to ask what you're doing right there, but I don't think that's right. Instead of saying I'm going to lose 20 pounds or I'm going to make more friends or I'm going to start saving more money or I'm going to start a new business, imagine you've already done it. Then ask yourself how you actually went about it. How did you become so thin in 8 months? How did you make so many new friends this year? How did you become so prosperous? The trick is to describe in detail what you did to make it happen. Now, beginning at the very end, like working a maze backwards, our subconscious mind will naturally pick out the right path for us, already incorporating our own personality quirks and neuroses in there. Number 4, going solo. Oh, that's interesting. So are you kind of like a people person? I like to sit in the dark by myself. That's interesting. Do you have like a favorite game? Solitaire. Oh, yeah, I like solitaire too. That's cool. Do you have like a food that you enjoy eating or something like that? Burgers. I get to eat them alone. I'm gonna leave you alone. The big issue here is that many of us are going to set our goals and then try to achieve them on our own, all by ourselves. We won't tell anybody out of fear of looking stupid when we fail. In fact, the opposite is true. We need to tell more people. Strength in numbers is key here. By sharing our goals with other people who are looking to achieve similar goals, we are more likely to succeed for 2 reasons. The first reason, having someone to hold us accountable shows that we're truly serious about achieving our goals and willing to be scrutinized. All right, so the second reason, more hands means less work, or at least less workload on you when it comes to coming up with solutions for your problems that you share with other like-minded people. It's not all on your shoulders to figure out how to use gym equipment. Exactly. Number 2, aiming too high. When it comes to your goals, you have to set realistic expectations for yourself. Set achievable numbers that in your own current condition, lifestyle, and financial situation could achieve. Now, once you hit those numbers or you achieve that goal, then set another achievable goal. The most important thing here is small but powerful progressive steps. Consistency is going to be key. Now, I know what all you all-star, super awesome people are saying right now, but Mike, I feel like I'm downsizing, I feel like I'm not doing enough. But in life like goals, it's not how long it takes you to get somewhere. It's what direction you're heading that matters most. Number 4, you lack motivation. All right, let's be real. If you're setting your goals only because you think you should, or you feel pressured from family or society, or you may have a gun to your head, stop eating fried chicken. Yeah, you're probably not going to succeed. Now, motivation may have been what got you started, but that quickly fades, so you need to use the initial motivation to create habits that are going to keep your goals going, even when that initial buzz has worn off. Now, a huge misconception, most people think motivation just kind of springs out of nowhere, but in reality, it comes from your own actions. The cycle goes action equals motivation, motivation equals inspiration. So if you're in a rut, just simply start small. Or if you're like me and you're just feeling lazy and don't want to do anything, take small steps. If you're trying to lose weight and don't want to go to the gym after work, then just put on your gym clothes or slip on your gym shoes and see how you feel after that. And once you put your gym shoes on and you got your clothes on and you feel good and you're like, oh snap, I feel great, head to the gym and just do simple things. Get on the treadmill, walk real slow. Once you start doing this and you do it enough times, it becomes a habit and you start to build it up, that motivation. The action develops motivation, the motivation develops inspiration. Or if all else fails, you can always watch this video. Number 1, you failed to plan. Look, the building's on fire. Who's gonna save them? Never fear, Action Man is here. Oh, fantastic. So we got a plan. We're gonna go up into the skyscraper, save all these people. It's great. Did I say my name was Plan Man? It's Action Man. Could someone get this out of here? If I don't prep my meals on Sunday every single week, I'll simultaneously starve and then binge like a pig. It's really a feat in and itself. I don't know how I do it, but it's definitely not good. Now think of it this way, when it comes to planning. If you were traveling down the road and your GPS failed and your MapQuest sheets flew out the window and you don't know what MapQuest sheets are because you're too young for this, how would you feel about that? You'll be freaking out. The same goes for your life. Why would you ever go through life without a plan? So instead, sit down, come up with a realistic plan on how you're gonna achieve your goals so you could become a rock star in your own life. So what do you guys think? Have you already fallen off the bandwagon? Are you eating fried chicken while making a video about losing weight? Go ahead and leave your comments down below, share your stories, and I'll see you guys in the next video.